First, we'll open the trunk. Notice on the edge of the taillight right there is a plastic cover. We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this to take that plastic cover out. Punch in the tool on the edge and then take out that plastic cover just like that. Behind the cover there are two screws right there. Top one has a little dirt on it, just needs to be cleared up a little bit. Both of these screws needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. We took out the bottom one, also need to take out the top one as well. Once both the screws are out, then we will come towards the quarter panel side. Here, we will gently push the tail light until it comes out completely. And there you see the tail light popping out. This is behind the tail light right there. Pull out the harness from that anchor type position to make some more room. Harness is free. Now we are good to take out the plug for the turn signal bulb. Grab the plug, turn it anti-clockwise and then pull the plug outwards. There's the turn signal bulb right there. We pull out the bulb just like that. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. It does not matter this way or the other. All you have to do is just punch in the bulb back to its position and then push it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Here's the bulb installed. We will also place that rubber which is on the edge of the plug properly. It was like this, so I would just recommend take this part out like that. In this way you will have more room to install this plug back to where it came from. Notice the plug of the bulb has a little curve shaped on the edges. That shape should match the shape of the tail light because it also has a curved V-shaped position inside. So we will punch in the plug, making sure both of these positions are aligned while punching in. You may have to wiggle a little bit, making sure it's completely going in first, and once it's completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, and in this way it is not coming out. We got the turn signal replaced. Now we will go ahead and put back the tail light. Notice there is that pointer coming out. That pointer is supposed to go into that spot right there. And on the other side, notice on the edge of the tail light there is a spot that is supposed to be slided towards that clip right there on the edge. So we have to make sure we punch both of them in accordingly. We carefully put back the tail light, and once it's completely in, only then we will give it a final push from the front. Now we will go ahead and punch in both the screws one by one. Once both the screws are tight enough, then we will go ahead and punch in this plastic cover. Now facing the plastic cover like this, behind the plastic cover there are two tabs, one right here and one right there. These two tabs are actually supposed to go into these two spots right there. Make sure while installing the plastic cover, those two tabs are aligned properly. We'll punch in the plastic cover and making sure all the tabs are in place properly. We'll check to see if it's not coming out at the end, and it seems like it is installed firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of the turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.